today's mystery quest on PAWS is 8,000 PAWS. Okay, so you get 8,000 PAWS if you complete the mystery quest. Okay, and it is very simple, and that is what I am going to show you in today's video. So you see we have the home, the leaders, the votes, friends, and N. Okay, so the home represents 1, the leaders represent 2, the votes represent 3, the friends represent 4, and the N represents 5. So the code is 21235. Okay, so you tap on the leaders for the first pattern. The second pattern is the home. You tap on the home, then you return to tap on the leaders again. You tap on the vote, then the last pattern is to tap on the N, and you see the claim button has changed. Okay, so you can go ahead to claim your PAWS mystery quest for today, which will give you 8,000 PAWS, as simple as that. So this is the step-by-step guide on how you can perform today's mystery quest on PAWS, as simple as that. Here's the talk tech. Make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning airdrop and tokens, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video with your friends so as to benefit from this video.